Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to apply second order homogeneous linear differential equation to find about h, and that is about the sequence. So we have the formula in here. The first thing we need to find this one. That is about a hn minus 1 plus b hn minus number 2. So this is about initial values that we provide. So we need to transform this one into s squared hn minus 1 into h, and this one into number 1. After we got this one, we need to find the solution of S. So if the solution is not same, we can apply the formula in here. If the solution they are same, we need to apply this formula in here. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. For the first one, that is about this one. Now we need to transform hn into s squared. This one into s. This one that is about number 1. So I will put 10s go to the left. This one go to the left. And now we need to find the solutions of S, and that is about S equals to number 6 and S equals to number 4. So we can see that they are not the same solutions. So we can apply about 8. So we put about Hn equals to C number 1. That is about the constant number 1. And we put about number 6 go in here. And we put about n. So R number 1 that is about number 6. R number 2 that is about number 4 in here. And the next one, we have the conditions. If I put n equal to number 0, that should be like this. And h0 that is about number 1. So this one that is about number 1. This one that is about number 1. So I will put about n equals to number 1. So we have like this. And h number 1 that is about number 0 in here. So we simplify and we have like this. And now we create the system of equations. So we can find the solution of C number 1 and C number 2. And that is about negative number 2 and positive number 3. After we got C number 1 and C number 2, we go back in here. And I will put negative number 2 go in here. and positive number 3 go in here. Which n is greater than or equals to number 0 because they start at h number 0 in here. The next one we do the same. So we calculate this one and we got about s equals to number 2. So they have same solutions. So we can apply this one. So I will put about n equal to number 0 and n equals to number 1. So we put number 0 on here. And h0 that is about negative number 3. Number 4 that is about h number 1. So we simplify and we have c number 1 equals to negative number 3 and 2c number 1 plus 2c number 2 equals to number 4. And now we can find the solutions of c number 1 and c number 2. That is about negative number 3 and number 5. So I will put this one go back in here. And n is greater than or equals to number 0. And this is the final answer to answer about the sequence in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.